over to Jerome. Now, since most people are working from home right now, myself, Kat, and Victor, we have all come up with a question each to ask you regarding work from home fashion. I'm not sure about Clinton. Clinton, I mean, if you have any question later, you can ask.
Okay.
But I think I want to start with Catherine first. Catherine, what's your question? Yep. Go ahead.
So from work from home, like you know, like video conferencing, Zoom calls, like any calls that you need to do with your colleagues or with clients, what is the best accessories or what is the item that makes you stand out, you know, and not look so like 黄脸婆, look boring, you know what I mean, at home?
Hey, like what you're wearing now lah, the earrings. See, so pretty.
They're very nice, actually. Really nice, Kat.
Oh, it's from a local designer, Jeannie Richards. So I always wear the earrings because it's very different. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. See, I only have earphones here. Headphones. Yeah, earphones here.
Can I share your sock? Can you all see?
Yes,
we can see. Yeah.
So because we started with Kat's one first, right? So Kat was asking, okay, WFH and WTF quite similar. So anyway, it's the same situation. So from home, this is what I would recommend. Okay, she was asking, so what headgear, headphones or hairbands? So everything here that you see, I just sourced from ASOS. So everything is less than $10. But you can see the impact, right? So actually, this period of time, the oversized headband was supposed to be coming in trend. It was done by Prada and I think by Dolce. So it's like this, like you have an extra horn on top of your head. So I think it just gives it a little bit more presence. It does make it a little bit more stylish from this tree. And also with the pair off with simple earrings. I think the thing is if you accessorize, you can wear very simple. That's the key thing. If you prefer not to wear too much things, just add on a little bit of accessories that actually makes you look a lot more presentable or a lot more like
what
awake.
I'm wearing now, because I always feel that tank top very boring, you know.
Yeah, so just add something statement, something dynamic. I think it just makes you look like you put in a little bit more effort lah. But you're saying like, do you need makeup or not? I think you still need a little bit of like a something to make your skin glow a little bit. And maybe like a lip gloss or lipstick to give yourself some, just to make yourself look a bit more, to wake up the face, I would say. Then also the second row, like you see, you're talking about headphones, right? Like this one, Bella Hadid has this one that has the wired. Okay, when I was sourcing for this one, this was quite funny lah, because this Vogue was the one who did this article and said, oh, Bella Hadid is bringing back wired earphones. And then someone else commented that they never went away. How is she going to bring it back? So I think when it's someone famous doing it, then everyone starts to take notice. But actually, the trend has been going on. Wired headphones has always been in trend. But I think if you're working, I think the thing with headphones is if you're actually working and you wear something dynamic, people know that you are sort of like focused on something. They don't actually come to you to disturb you, as opposed to when you're not doing, when you don't have anything on. So like if your kids or your parents or not, they see you like working with something, visually they know that you are working. Although you are listening to music or just listening to podcasts, they don't care, but they know that there's a visual cue that you are actually doing something. So I think that helps. Oops, sorry. So go to this one. This one is if you are feeling a little bit more, Carrie Bradshaw, Sex in the City. If you feel that you want to make an impression, you can go a little bit more dynamic and put a huge flower on your head, or you can do something, like this one's from Bremen. So it's like if you really want to create an impression, or all of you, I think what is fun is like we cannot really do much through only Zoom, right? So it's fun to do like Zoom theme parties. I guess it's like then you dictate something, then everyone just show up like a costume party on Zoom. So everyone has to dress to a certain theme to show up. I think that would be quite funny. Then
actually, we should have a dress code today, right?
Next week we can do that.
I think next week we'll do that. Yeah.
Okay.
So this one was actually this is also part of the what's the trend. Victor was asked what's the trend for ladies and men at the moment other than quarantine realness. So quarantine realness, I think we are stuck here, so we cannot do anything. So a lot of the things that are in trend now is a lot of things that are the face masks. So these are, okay, this is from one of my designers called Barry.
Wow.
So this is a little bit more, not your typical face mask that everyone's like cutting fabric and making. These are more, I would say more statement making. And I think if you're a bride or you're going to get married or something, you know, but you still need to put on something to cover yourself, these are good options to have. Of course, they are also unisex. So men, if you're interested, you can get them.
Even the one in the middle?
This one, yeah, this all the way. It's very, I mean, it's very graphic. It's very big. It's almost like a, but you can you're really getting from Bremen. He can customize it for you. You can just tell him what theme you want. But this is his impression. This is his style. Oops. So these are new artist impressions of things that are actually being developed right now. So this one on the left is Nike, but these are all artist impressions. So these are all sort of like ideas in the works. These are not actual products, not available yet. But if this becomes the norm, I think face masks will become a very, I'll say, day-to-day accessory. It will be then people will want to dress it up or to make it or make themselves to personalize it a bit. So like on the left side, this one, the 3M. Can you question, why is there an opening in the middle? What's the function of this? Can you tell?
For you to drink something?
No, okay, it's still wrapped up.
Drink wine. For you to drink wine.
Peel it.
Open up.
Huh?
So they can lip read or put lips.
This one is to help hearing impaired, so that they can still lip read. So that your mouth and lips and everything, so that they can still lip read. So this is actually a design function. So this is why design comes into place when it comes to all these kind of things, because it does help with different functions as well. It's not just looking good. So let me see. Okay, this one I love. This one I'm waiting forward. This one is also this one I got them from yankodesign.com. On the left side, this is actually music. It's like a headphones but visor, and then it plays music. So instead of your earphones now, you will practically just wear like a fencing mask lah. And then you can play music and listen to music through this. On the right side is a sports one. This is you see notice the logo here. This is like for by Nike. It's in the works by Nike. Yeah, I think it's in the works. I think they will produce this, but this is something that's in the works, and this might become the norm. So it's like a face shield.
Oh wow!
Wow, interesting.
So this might become something that most of us will probably use or wear lah. So let me see which slide I
It will be something that everybody will start wearing.
Correct. So it's like, when we were growing up, we used to look at all these things. Why people wear all these masks and everything in the sci-fi future, right? This could be probably one of the reasons. On the left is another design. On the left is another design, is to make it's also like a very big sunglass. But it could be the future. It's a little bit McQueen-ish. Then on the right side is like plastic fantastic. This is like a snow globe. So you're basically like wearing a fish bowl on your head.
I don't like it.
Astronaut. Because an astronaut.
Astronaut. But this does have a bit of a retro vibe to it, There's like a retro, like Avengers 1950s. They will wear this. They showcase this kind of things. So this is quite interesting. Okay, so this one is this is a DIY video that I want to share. Give me a minute. Can you all see my screen?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is for all the mummies in the house. This is a DIY video.
We can't see your video though. We can't see your video. Yeah. Maybe we want to share it on the Facebook page separately.
Okay, I'll share it on Facebook later.
Yeah.
This is a DIY.
Yeah.
So this is where am I? Okay, back to here. Okay.
Oh, that's
So
my
this
question.
one, this is your question. What is to wear to look good for Zoom meetings? So I think when we are thinking for Zoom meetings, right, we have to know that it is for basically just here on up lah. So these are the styles that why is my screen so sorry. It's just so too sensitive already. So so on the left side is just basically a simple top that has a one slit. So it's like a statement, but it's a very casual, but it has a kind of a design element. The next one has a high collar. So something with a high collar so it can bring a focus to your face. The third one is whimsical shoulders. So that you have something like a design element to showcase to make it more dynamic lah, to make yourself look bigger and larger than life. The fourth one is a ruffle neck collar. So this one is like something like little flowers around. Then the middle one is like a pussy bow. So this one you can either let it like a drape bow, like a scarf, or you can tie a bow so that there's a certain detail. And then this one is like a printed t-shirt. So there's something graphic and not just simple, like a one color or one tone.
Okay.
So this one.
Yep.
But if you're wearing t-shirt and then you got to run into a meeting, I think a simple item that you usually have, like a blazer and all this, that you can just throw on. Like this one, I've been wearing this the whole day. It's actually a tank top. So I just throw like a simple cardigan and everything. So I think I look a bit more presentable. I put in a bit more effort to dress up. And then the next one is like a box jacket that you just wear. So if you have your Chanel jackets and everything, and just bring them out and wear them without, just wear your bra inside, don't care. You just button it.
Or a Chanel-esque jacket too.
Chanel-esque. Yeah, they make you all like groomed. Okay, that's it for me.
All right. Also, Catherine, I think we are wearing the wrong things today, though. Based on Jerome's recommendation. Oh my God, I think
none of us are wearing anything suitable.
Yeah, exactly right. Okay.
We will work harder, Jerome. Thank you.
You take any tips and then we judge for next week.
Okay.
Yeah, my cat got wear earrings. She look very presentable today. She got very pretty earrings.
Yeah, right. Correct. Okay. Now, Clinton, do you have any questions for Jerome?
Oh, geez. Well, I'll tell you, you know, God is fair. God has given me lots of blessings, but lack of fashion is probably it's probably right up there for me. You know, my whole wardrobe, my wife and all my friends say I'm the most boring dresser. I pretty much dress in mainly black.
I will send you my number when we go shopping together.
Okay. Yeah. I'm not sure. I still can be saved now.
I don't know if you remember, but I actually worked with you for a Tatler shoot before years ago.
I remember. I was gonna say that I find you very familiar.
Yeah. So you look very dashing in that shoot. So I'm sure I can help you now too.
Oh, I have hope. Thank you, Jerome.
I have hope. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yes, I think this is a really very fun session. So viewers, do remember to follow our Facebook fan page at Baba Mama and at Miss Elaine Heng. Next Wednesday, 8 p.m., we have another episode on beauty. So make sure you all tune in. Yeah. Any more questions for any one of our experts here? Everybody's okay? Cool. All right. Thank you, everybody, for viewing our Zoom show. And thank you, Clinton, Jerome, and Victor for being on our show. And should we do a
thank you.
Before we go off,
Yeah.
everybody about the giveaway as well.
Oh, yes. Giveaway. Okay, let's talk about the giveaway again. We have 5 bottles of CornerStone Ice Wine to be given away. And all you need to do is like and share this video. Follow our Facebook fan page at Baba Mama and at Miss Elaine Heng. The more you share, the more people that you tag to watch this Zoom show, the higher your chances of winning. And contest ends on the 27th of May, 2020-2359. Okay, let's do a toast.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Must leave everybody with a good deal to go back to shopping later. You know, everybody at home, stay at home, very bored. So maybe talk about the buy 3 get 3 free again.
Okay, let's let's talk about that again. All right. You want to share
Sharing the post later on
Mm.
on the Facebook, and then we'll share with all our friends. But then,
Yes.
Elaine, I think you mentioned that when you buy 3 of the
Yep.
Senior de la Tour,
De la Tour.
3 ice wine for free, right? So it's
That's
$39,
right.
$39.99 per bottle.
$39.99. Yes.
So, I
And
think
it's very
a
good deal.
Yes.
Fantastic deal. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So everybody should quickly grab before they run
stock
out.
up for 2-3 weeks, you know.
Correct. Every day drink 1 bottle, sure can finish.
For sure.
Right? Yeah.
Not enough.
Not enough. Definitely not enough. Should buy more, right? Yeah.
Not enough.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, guys, can we do a toast now?
All right.
Sure.
Toast to everybody. All right. Thank you so much for being on the show. And
Thank
cheers,
you.
everyone.
Okay, cheers, guys. Thank you, Catherine. Thank you, Victor. Thank you, Jerome. Cheers, mates.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Very good.
Okay. Time for dinner. See you next week.
Yes, let's all have dinner. Bye.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye.